There are a few easy places to get links, and it's kind of like from your friends. Different kinds of relationships, right? Leveraging relationships. You can see if any of your friends have websites. Generally, your industry professional contacts will have websites, and they will have websites that are probably relevant to your business niche. If you know any bloggers, you might just reach out and ask them. And if you know any podcasters, because they all have a show, you might be a guest, and they might link to you in the show notes. And worst comes to worst, if you run out of like really close connections, you can always ask for recommendations, or you can contact different people in the professional Facebook groups or the professional LinkedIn groups, and just simply start a conversation and ask them. Always throw out the idea that you can incentivize links by maybe helping them somehow, or even throwing some cash their way. Again, paying for links is a very big no-no. It's a very big no-no when it comes to Google. Google is very against it, but at the same time, people still do it as long as they don't get caught. And I'm not going to recommend that you do it or don't do it either way. It's completely your decision, but certainly offering people cash, it is going to make them link to you faster, and it is at the same time not allowed by Google. So you're the judge of doing that, but you can also offer them other things, like promoting them somehow, other things you can do for them, many things, as long as you are creative. So these are just some ways to leverage real relationships to get links.